Asuntosketju ja Mikkelin kirkkopuisto Porrassalmenkatu 33 in Mikkeli. Staircase B.
What's the name of the street?
What?
What's the name of the street?
Porrassalmenkatu.
What?
Porrassalmenkatu.
Porrassalmenkatu.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is one of the last lodges with the old Kone logo.
Yeah.
Built in 1973, age 29779.
It has the new buttons.
Yep. Introduced in 1971 or 72.
Yep. There's the version with the Swedish text also.
Yep. It's always on these kind of elevators. 4 persons or 320 kilograms. They haven't put the what is this now? Date in like American style.
Yeah.
Or Swedish style.
Okay.
Not the American style actually.
I thought the P was the last part.
Same here.
I thought like what the fuck, why it's going down? Oh, it doesn't have first floor.
Oh.
So the P is actually 1. Or
Yeah,
yep, it's a 1. It should be 1, not P.
Yep.
Inspektiippaa kiva, inspektään eteenpäin kön.
And once again, kakkareiden seksi kiva.
I could change the P to 1. I have a one button in my collection. It is not green.
After we get to the K, we should go to the P. Or
Yeah.
why did I say P? Strange.
You're strange.
I know.
It is P.
Let's go to the P now.
Why you want to open the door?
Why do you open the door always on the last time?
Of course.
Why?
Yeah, let some fresh air in.
Yeah, because we are getting sweaty on the smaller elevator.
Yep. Imagine if we get stuck.
Yeah, it would be. Or the 2 elevator, 3 of us.
That's it.
That's it.